Alright, in this video I'm going to show you a couple things. The first is going to be how to replace the 630-0173 flapper. To do that I'm going to be showing you the 203A flush valve. It comes with the 630-0173, which is the 2-inch flapper. And then after that I'm going to show you how to replace the insert in the bottom of the flapper, which is this white piece here, and in the replacement you see it comes with a black insert. So I'll show you how to change those and how to replace the flapper, so on and so forth. So first, say the toilet's leaking a little bit over time, or whatever the case is, the flapper's just old, you're wanting to replace it. They're really easy to change. The first thing you'll do is turn the water off to the tank and flush the toilet, and just hold the handle down, keep the flapper up, let all the water drain out of the tank. Then you'll come in. You don't have to remove the flush valve to do this either, so it'll stay in the tank just like this. You'll just take these ears, pop them off the edge of the flush valve, and then disconnect the hook from the lever and then pull the flapper out. The flush valve will stay in, and then you'll of course have the new flapper, which shows you here what color insert to use with whatever tank model number you have. Open this up. As you can see, it comes with the black insert already on the flapper, and the white one comes in the pack. So you would, whichever one is on the flapper that you took out of your tank, in this case, it would be the white one. So you'll take this one, and it's not really hard to change, they're just kind of annoying to do. The way I do it is take my thumb on the corner, push just that corner down, and then kind of pull on the other side of the flapper and get that insert to just pop right out. And then the way this would go in, like I said, you can use this as a reference because there's two different ways. The way I do it is, you can see this side's a little bit thicker than this side. The thin side goes into the flapper. So line that up right there, and then I put it in pretty much the same way I took the old one out. You just kind of push down, and then as the flapper, you kind of squeeze it and get it to pop right in there. So then you would set this one back down inside the tank. You don't have to connect the handle first, it's preference. If you want to connect it, you can, before you even put it in there, just hang the flapper over the side of the toilet, connect the hook, and then drop the flapper down, get it where it needs to go, and then fix the ears. Or you can just drop the whole flapper down in the tank and then pop these little ears over the legs on the flush valve, pop those on. It should have a little bit of movement, it shouldn't fit tight. And then connect this to the lever, turn the water back on, and then it should flush and be perfectly fine. So once again, this was how to replace the 630-0173 flapper and how to change the insert on the flapper also.